Evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In addition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, July the 12th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic in Dutch, take all a cyber block in Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one, yeah. The binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. Let me position the camera. This one will be number 888. No, not 888. 8890. Yeah, 8890. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Well, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then, let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box will be a 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes in 1, double O. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then, well, I need to compare now. This is true. Yeah. Nope. Double one. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, this one we solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, so we do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.